Alright everybody, so as you can see I have it set up here to my iPad. I'm using a Luxa 2 cradle to hold my iPad, which is a very nice product. You'll see this in another earlier review. Here's iStreamer here. You can see that I'm using that USB cable to audio to my iPad. And here is a desktop amp I have. This is made by FIO. It's called the E9. And you can use this as just an amp or a combo with their E7 product. And you can see that in another review as well, but let's get back to this. So I powered it on. I got my iPad running. And the back here, you can't see it too well, but I have RCA jacks from here. And the RCA jack end on this side is actually a 3.5 millimeter line in. This does not have input for RCA. So I have that special cable in the back. You may need something like that if you have a solution similar to this. But I got the music running here on my iPad. Let me lower it. And let's go ahead and turn this up a bit. And I have it on my Jazz Essential radio station on Pandora. And I have connected my wonderful, oh, that's kind of loud, my wonderful AKG K701 cans or headphones. Amazing headphones. They pair very well with this particular amp. And actually, I haven't even heard this yet, so I'm really excited to see what this is going to sound like as an end result of this combination here. But this is similar to what you're going to be doing with this. You can either have this for your headphones, or you can have it for your desktop setup at home or your home entertainment system. You know, the possibilities are endless. You could set this up in so many ways, and it's wonderful that HRT has iStreamer to allow you to do this now, rather than using just a plain old line out and using the built-in internal DAC to the iPad, which is not bad, but it can only get so much better when you introduce a DAC externally, made by other manufacturers who use very high-end grade components. So this is going to further, make your audio experience and music listening experience so much better. A lot of you, if you don't know what a DAC is, basically it just turns a digital signal to an analog signal. Everything you hear that's reproduced on a component or any type of system is always going to be analog, and it's converted somewhere along the line during that transmission of listening to music, especially when you're listening to digital music. You know, everything digital now that reproduces sound has a DAC built in, but usually it's of lower quality, especially when you have your laptop. That's going to be the last thing that laptop maker wants to do, is spend money on a DAC. So it's very low quality. You have all the electrical stuff around it that's going to cause all kinds of interference and static and hissing and all the wonderful sounds of a very inexpensive, cheap setup. Now, when you introduce something like this, it can only broaden the horizons of music listening to, wow, you just got to hear it, guys. But for those of you who do know what this is, I'm pretty sure it's going to be an excellent product. I have the music streamer here. I use this for my home entertainment system. It's a great, wonderful product. I love it, and it sounds excellent. It makes my music just sound so much more open in the sound stage, and you know, the tonality, and so on and so forth. I could just go on. Wonderful product. HRT makes great products. iStreamer, I have no doubt, is going to be a big hit with you guys, especially for the iDevice community. So let me turn this down, and we'll wrap up. So again, this is, guys, is the HRT iStreamer device. Started selling this month, and it's just built wonderfully. They make high-end DACs. That's what they're known for. Check them out, guys. High resolution. Actually, let me pull up their website here and get an accurate web address for you. HighResolutionTechnologies.com. First thing you'll see is the iStreamer being having the front page of the website. Read about it. I'm going to put some specification information on here, as well as some sites, link some sites where you can purchase this from, and the specifications of this. I can go to the whole, technical specification list of this item or device, but for a lot of you, it doesn't really matter as long as it sounds good. And I guarantee that HRT is going to have a solid product for you guys. Well, anyways, thanks guys. Thanks again for watching my review. This has been a Deckhand Davey exclusive, the HRT iStreamer. Check it out. And again, thanks for watching. Y'all have a wonderful holidays, and if I don't have something else out before then, we'll see you in the new year. All right, have a good one, guys.